still rocking this cold stuff, and this one is like very smooth and fresh. This one is more smoother than the one I used clipper on before. That's why I really love this particular one. So I guess from now henceforth,
one day, baby, we'll be there at the top, like the 4th of July. We'll go big, girl, that ain't no lie, but that means no sleeping tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is me, it is I, your favorite girl, independent original. If you know you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is your first time of seeing me, or this is your first time of visiting this channel, please consider hitting on the red writing that said subscribe at the right hand side of your screen, and also don't forget to turn on the bell, turn on the notification bell, so when next I upload a video like this or more some other time, you'll definitely be the first person to get notified. So guys, on this video, I'll be like going blade again, like I'll be shaving off my hair. I just want, you know, to start receiving that fresh air. You guys know I said it earlier, I'll be rocking this blade for the now. I don't know about the future, but I'll be doing this with big, yeah, like this how it looks like. I'll be using this stuff, this to shave off my head. It's like a traditional way, because I remember then when we were like very young, they normally do use this, but not just this, it was a blade by then. But as of now, it's not that I don't have a clipper, I just wanted to try like something new. I just want to try some other pattern. I just want to like make it unique, you understand? So I'll be using this. So guys, stay tuned to watch me cut off my hair.
Shakara, do what they dance, make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do zangu, make you do shakara. Do lego, make you do shakara. Do what they dance, make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do zangu, make you do shakara. Do lego, make you do shakara. Do what they dance, make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Move, 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 move. Oh yeah, move. When I dance, I dey feel the beat. I dey see the way they go for the street twist dance. Where you see so Zankuna, Legona, do shakara, all of them. They be the dance where they ring for the area where people come they dance when you dey yeah. When you dey see the Zanku, do Lego, do any dance where you feel the dance. All the street they feeling me. Do Zanku, you go do shakara. Do Lego, you go do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do Zanku, make you do shakara. Do Lego, make you do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do Zanku, make you do shakara. Do Lego, make you do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do Zanku, make you do shakara. Do Lego, make you do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Move, 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 move. Okay, you move. You roll your waist. I like the way you whine. When you come to the stage, the way you roll your waist, guys they die. Do Zanku, you go do shakara. Do Lego, you go do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara. Now they make this dance sweet me. Do Zanku, make you do shakara. Do Lego, make you do shakara. Do any dance make you do shakara.
So guys, this is actually the final look. This is my hair. Though this is my first time of going blade with a shaving stick, I mean with a big, I've never done that before. I normally use a clipper, but today I just said, what to do, let me try something else. I wanted to use like a blade, but unfortunately I said no, that would be like really difficult, so let me just use something with an handle. So that was why I tried a shaving stick, and I love the experience. If you check the video properly, you see it was not just a shaving stick. They also added like a shampoo to it with the water to make the hair like more softer, to make it, you know, light, so the blade can take it. Because if you are using a shaving stick on a dry head, on a dry scalp, I guess it will be peeling your scalp, like it's gonna be dusting, and also it might look rough, you might get injured. I don't really know, though I've never experienced that before. This is like a traditional way of barbing our hair. I remember when we were very young, I see a lot of mothers, African mothers, they normally use that process to cut their kids' hair, but not this shaving stick, not big. It's usually a blade, a razor blade. So I said, okay, let me just like take myself back to, you know, that time, like the olden days, while I was still very young, you know, that experience. I just wanted to like feel the experience, you know. At times I do the impossible. I do things that people be like, wow, I can't do this. Me carrying my blade, a lot of people have been, you carrying a blade, you know. I just wanted to do something strange, something I know people can't do, something I know it will be difficult for other females to do. I like doing stuff like that. And I just wanted to show you another pattern of how you can go blade. Like this is another, you know, I told you guys, like before I forget, I told you guys I'll be changing this. For the now, this is gonna be my look. I don't know, maybe in the future time I might like change the look. I also said something like I'll be giving you guys like different look. I might decide to allow the hair grow a little bit. I might decide to like cut it off. I might decide to just allow it to grow properly while I start my locks over again. Or I might decide to, okay, I just want to let this hair grow so I can be like braiding it or stuff like that. But for the now, I'm still rocking this. I don't want to go there. I'm still rocking this cold stuff, and this one is like very smooth and fresh. This one is more smoother than the one I used clipper on before. That's why I really love this particular one. So I guess from now henceforth, that will be what I'll be using in going blade. I don't really know, but I might not be filming again, but I just guess that's what I'll continue using because I really love it. It's so, I don't want to touch the head because I know it's so cold. You know, we are in winter. My hands are cold, even though my hands are warm. But once I like touch my head, I'll feel that cold. Wow. I decided to bear the pain. Or is it pain? No, it's not painful. But I just decided to like, okay, take a deep breath. Do it. You can do it. Oh, this thing is so smooth. Like, loving it already. I wish you guys can feel it. Can you feel it? Go ahead. It's so smooth. That was why I said I should share the experience with you guys, and I hope you like it. I don't know if you like the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share the video if you can. This will like wrap up this particular video. It's a wrap. So guys, I just wanted to like show you another pattern of, you know, going blade or cutting your hair. If you don't have a clipper or you don't want to use a clipper, definitely there are barbers all over, so you can say you don't have a clipper or you can't see where to like cut your hair. This is just like another method of going braid. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching to the end. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Take care, guys.